No way.
Look, that's the house. That's next to our campsite. All right.
The cool rock.
Seneca Rocks. And our campground is over there.
Over there.
You can see him. Tents are all set up. Whoa. A creek. Oh yeah. Chipper. Whoa.
Next to the cigarette.
Touch it, Gia.
I'm kind of scared. It looks furry. It
Look at the
jiggles so
jiggle.
good.
Yo, keep moving. Keep jiggling. Oh, it got motion. Oh. Oh. Wow. Awesome. Cute dog. Hi, buddy. I caught them all. What's down here? Water. New knife. Oh. New knife. Let's go. Let's go catch a bear. There's people up there. Oh, there's two people right there. And then there's someone right there. Nah, this guy has a rope. I can see it with my iPhone 17 camera.
Oh, Tippy, you're not going up there.
Wow. Keeps going. How you doing, baby?
Kind of tired already.
Yeah, I'm super sweaty. Look at this. But we're almost there yet, I think, hopefully. She's cooked. Sebastian. Oh my God. Where's the end? You can't, look. You can't even see the bottom. Onward.
Oh my God, they're twins!
What? What?
Another Tippy!
Chippy?
Tippy! Oh no, don't take a picture of me, I'm sweaty.
We're over there. Gia! Convince her to come up here. Left her. That's me and my boy. Oh shit. What's behind me? Drop to the death. Except on Spider-Man. I wasn't kidding. I can't fall. Oh shit. That's tough.
Are you still going to?
A+H. And a beautiful view. I've had a knife for about an hour now, and I cut myself. And she put me in timeout. She took my blade from me.
I mean, like, it is definitely.
I'm gonna get it back. We just finished the Seneca Rocks Trail.
We went right here.
Yeah, we also got some souvenirs. I got a shirt, but it's all good. Don't worry about it. Oh, wait. Sick. We also went with no water, but it's okay. I got a diet Dr. Pepper now. It's not hidden though. It's not good.
And I got a Gatorade.
Chip transformed.
The baby knife.
That's Princess Donut. Beer o'clock.
Broke his one lime cactus. No, I just did it. It's fine. When in West Virginia, though. Don't let that shit slip out of your hand. I would not stand directly behind you. Oh, you're giving my power?
Day 2.
Destination.
Dolly Sods
What's your
Wilderness.
destination?
The top.
Okay, you guys do that.
Gotta put that in the thumbnail.
Live bombs. I'm gonna touch them all.
Alright.
Super sick creek.
Wow.
Bang. You're crushing it. Nice little view. Crazy ass trail. I made it without taking off my boots. Solomon's. I'm an experienced hiker. Look at these losers. Beautiful view though. Chippy, let's go! Chippy! Woo!
Update. Look at this
Update.
log with mushrooms. So many mushrooms.
Whoa. Hopefully that came out. Hike's getting rough. I don't know. Sebastian and Gia are somewhere back there. Aiden and Chip are somewhere ahead.
Yep, and we're in the middle.
We're in the middle. Just looking at mushrooms.
Crazy looking. Don't they look like the trees from the Odyssey?
Sketchy trees.
Like I'm about to walk into like a monster's den or something. They're gonna eat me.
Onward.
Onward and upward.
Oh, the sun's in my eye. Hopefully it looks nice.
It's a water hole, bro. What are you thinking? Old ass puddle water.
Whew. Look at this fall. Beautiful. Worth it. View is amazing. Now it's time to refuel. Cookie?
Pickle.
Coke Zero, Pepsi Zero, whatever. And a clementine. Whew. Chip, you motherfucker. Oh my god, Chip, please don't. Whew. Whew. Keep on rolling. Let me get to this rock. Whew. This rock right here. And this rock. This rock. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who's the goat? Who's the goat? Oh shit. Alright. Oh yeah. Come on, Chippy! Chippy shake. We're almost back to our car. Let's see. There's cars. Freedom. We're done. 8 miles. That was the Red Creek Trail to the Lion's Head Rock at Dolly Sods Wilderness in West Virginia. Anyways, you know what time it is. It's beer o'clock. Hike review. That shit was hard. I can't believe the girls did that. Respect. Cheers. Boys night.
What even were those?
Just shower together.
Booty hole clean.
Where the fuck is the Seneca Rocks?
It's right there, bro.
Oh.
Don't worry, bro. I got you.
Sick.
It's right. It's right there. That's a fucking...
Yeah! Fuck starting on fire. That shit doesn't work. Oh my god, the Fire Master. The Fire Master just fucking stroked it on.
Put that shit in there. It's a great piece.
Oh shit.
Should have drank all the beers before starting the fire. Eyes on chip?
Yeah.
You're sleeping.
Right,
Cool. Let's go. I can feel a really good breeze right now. I think we're there, guys.
Burger. Beer.
We went on a piece of wood in the town.
Girlfriend. Glizzy on a stick.
Trying to use this fucking wood. A lot of money. Yeah. This is fucking working.
It's magical. A bird's eye view of the region. Spruce Knob. 4,863 feet. Let's go up there. It's cold.
It's cold. Here.
You can't see shit from up here. Not even fucking trees.
Damn. It's full of bright trees.
Wow. Whoa. Windy as hell. Amazing bench location.
Yup.
Except for this. Look. There's a freaking tree in the way.
What's that tree doing?
Why would they do that? We're gonna chop it down. Chip is taking a shit at the highest point in West Virginia. This is amazing.
This is the highest shit of all time.
Highest shit of all time. Oh, it stinks. Highest point in West Virginia. Let's go home.
Not the chancla.
That was the highest point in West Virginia.
Yeah.
Spruce Knob.
Mm-hmm.
That
So cold up here.
Yeah, it's cold up here. That concludes our West Virginia trip. Thank you for watching. Tricked you. One last view. The east overlook.